In this video, I'm going to give you the law of attraction secret formula to manifest any wish of yours within 30 days. So this is a law of attraction formula, a manifestation formula that you can follow to make any wish come true within 30 days. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Make sure you hit the like button on this video right over on that side right there. And today's a great day to be alive on a little tiny rock spinning through endless space. So let's dive right into this video. So the first step in the formula is you have to know clearly what it is that you want. Most people have no idea what they want, or deep down they know what they want, but they don't believe it's possible, so they never actually write it down. Because why would you spend the time to write something down? Why would you spend the time planning how you're gonna get it? Why would you waste your time doing any of that? If you already knew, you probably couldn't get it, especially within a reasonable period of time. Why even do it to begin with? So when you define clearly what it is that you want, and you know what it is that you want, write it on a piece of paper and put it on your wall or your refrigerator. Put it somewhere where every single morning and every single night you're going to be able to read it. So it doesn't matter what it is, but let's say that it was financial. And if it's multiple things, make a list. Just make a list of all those things. So there might be 5 things or 3 things. One might be to make an extra $1,000 a month. And then the other thing might be to attract 2 new clients, right? And you just number those out and put them on a paper clearly defined. So the second point, which is really almost like a sub point to the previous, is after you write these down and you put them up on your wall or your refrigerator, or your bedroom or your mirror, realize that it's that or something better. It's always this or something better. A lot of times what happens is we actually block opportunities from coming into our lives, or we just cause ourselves so much tension because we think this specific thing that we want has to happen this exact way. So comment down below this or something better. The universe is conspiring on your behalf. You live in an infinite world. You live in a friendly universe. And so it's always this or something better. The universe wants your best interest. It's not here to break you. It's here to shape you into the person that you're meant to be. It's here to actually be a friendly environment that responds to your conscious intentions and your wishes. So the thing to remember though is it's always this or something better. So comment that down below, this or something better. Comment down below, this or something better. So the third step is to have a daily visualization for it. Now, it may help to essentially turn it into a vision board, which you can do very easily by going to Google Images and typing in the search terms of the types of things that you want. Like maybe it's a house or a car or a certain job or a certain amount of money, or it's a certain type of relationship. Just go onto Google Images and you can look up the exact images or similar types of images. Now, what you can do then is print it out and put that on the wall right next to your actual list of things. And you can go into a visualization where, let's say you have an image of money in one, an image of your dream house, and an image of your ideal romantic relationship. You can look at those images that you printed out, close your eyes, and step into those visualizations. That way it's easier to imagine things because you're physically seeing this vision board type of thing in front of you before you visualize on it, and this will help you feel as if it's real. The point of daily visualization is to feel as if it's real. Feel as if it's real, and what happens is your subconscious, which doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's not real, it thinks that it's real because you're feeling like this immense gratitude or this epic visualization experience. And your subconscious, which doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's not real, thinks it's real, gets programmed for it, and that's how you manifest things into your life quickly. So you visualize already having it, not wishing that you might get it within the next 30 days, not hoping you might get it in the next 30 days, not wanting it in the next 30 days. You're literally stepping into a visualization where you already have what you want. You're feeling as if it's real. The fourth step is to actually do a gratitude exercise every day on these specific things. So a gratitude journal where you're just gonna pull out a notepad and you're gonna write out that you are grateful that these things have already manifested in your life. Like, let's say, for instance, you wanted to make an extra $1,000 a month. You would write, I am so grateful I'm now earning an extra $1,000 a month. Or I am so grateful that I have had amazing miracles come into my life that have allowed me to manifest my dream home. Whatever it is, write it in the present tense as if you were going to your journal. Dear journal, and you were telling your journal how you were grateful that this thing that was your wish has now materialized in your life. So you're writing about how you're presently grateful that this thing has happened in your life. Now, do this for each of the things that you have on your list that you want. So if one is money, one is your dream house, one is soulmate, for each of them, write it 3 times. So for 3 times, you'd write, I'm so happy and grateful I'm making an extra $1,000 a month. Write that 3 times. Then go to the next one, write it 3 times. In the present tense, this is your gratitude journal, because what this is about is, can you give thanks for a future that has not been made manifest yet here in this reality? When you can give thanks for a future that has not yet been made manifest, you actually program your mind to make it into a reality. Step number 5 is to take one small step or one win every day in the direction of your dreams. So it may be that you want that extra $1,000 a month that we've discussed. So how would it look if you already had what you wanted? Like, maybe there's some people that you have in mind to call about potentially doing business with, but you haven't done it. Maybe you've been afraid to do it. You just do it regardless of the outcome. You take one step as if you already have it. So that means if one of your things was to attract your soulmate, when normally you see someone that's attractive in the store or coffee shop or around town, you wish you could say hi to them, but you feel like you are nervous, or maybe you just assume they already are dating someone, or they might say no to you and it's not the right time and you don't look that good right now, and anyways you're kind of tired, and so you'll do it another time, and if you see them 5 times, then it'll be a sign that you'll finally go talk to them. Instead, you just go talk to them. You just walk over and you just stick your hand out and you say hello and you introduce yourself. Hi, I'm Jake. Just take the step regardless of the outcome. This is about taking effort as if you already have what you want, stepping into the direction and letting go of the outcome. When you do this, you start to build incredible momentum for amazing opportunities, because the universe finally says, okay, they're ready. You know that old adage that the teacher appears when the student is ready? Your manifestation appears when you are ready. And you show the universe you're ready by taking one step or one win every day closer to the direction that you're intending to manifest. Next, let go of time entirely. Title of this video is about doing something in 30 days. It doesn't matter if it's 30 days or 9 million days or 1 year or 5 years. What tends to occur is people get very attached to things happening in their life within the time frames that they want. They're trying to force the universe. It needs to come here. There's a lot of problems with that. One, it'll drive you insane. It's just not going to make you happy when you're fretting time. Number 2, you're really not in a state of certainty and knowing that what you want is manifesting. You are not in that state. You're in total fear, actually. And like I said, the subconscious mind responds to whatever impressions you're giving it. So you're sitting there going, well, they said it's been 28 days, it's been 2 years, I've been working on this, it's been my whole life, and I still haven't met my soulmate, and da-da-da. All you're really saying is, I don't have. In the Bible it says, to those that have, more will be given. To those that do not have, even that which they have. Even the things that they have are going to be taken away from them. So what is that saying? It's talking about consciousness. To those that have, more will be given is saying when you already have what you want in consciousness, you're going to attract it. It's not saying, yeah, if you're rich, God loves rich people. If you have more, you're going to get more. And even those who don't have, poor people, God doesn't like them. That's not what it's saying. It's talking about consciousness. To those that have, more will be given. When you are in the consciousness of already having what you want, when you can give thanks for a future that has not been made manifest yet, what you're doing is expressing real faith, and that's how you manifest things. Whereas to those that do not have, even that which they have will be taken away from them. Is when you're in the consciousness of lack, waiting for time. Yeah, when's it going to come? When's it going to come? What you're really saying is, I don't have it. And to those that do not have, even that which we have will be taken away. You are in a consciousness of not having when you are focused on time and how what you want has not come yet. You will continue to attract experiences that match that, because the outside world is a mirror off of your inner consciousness. Let go. There is a divine plan that all you want is available to you if you can let go and surrender to the truth that it's already within you. So this is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and make sure, if you haven't yet, that you hit the like button on this video right over there. The like button is what actually notifies this video to be sent out to more people. So make sure you hit the like button. It's right over there. Right there down below is my free success hypnosis. It's jakeshypnosis.com. What I'm inviting you to do is challenge yourself right now. Do a thought experiment. See if you can manifest something in your life within the next 30 days. See if you can do it within the next 24 hours. Just do a thought experiment. You don't even need to believe everything I'm saying. Just try it. Just give it a try and then make your own conclusions about reality. Make your own conclusions about the powers of your thought. Make your own conclusion about the powers of your own consciousness to influence reality. All I'm inviting you to do is to give it a try, and I believe what you're going to find is you're a lot more powerful than you've ever been told, that your consciousness and your mind have real power to influence your reality. If you want to supercharge that, right there down below is my free success hypnosis, jakeshypnosis.com. It's right there down below, pinned to the comments, jakeshypnosis.com. It's right there down below. And what that will do is it'll eliminate all those limiting beliefs, all the subconscious programmings that say that it's not happening or you can't do it. What if you could just erase all of those? And while you're doing this thought experiment for the next 30 days and you follow this actual formula, use this success hypnosis every day to just basically, kind of like when you don't want to listen to a certain song, you can just turn the volume down, and then you can actually change the station on your stereo. Well, you could do the same thing with your mind. You can turn the volume down on the limiting beliefs and then skip to a new programming, one where your mind is a magnet to help you attract what you want. So jakeshypnosis.com is right there down below. It's a free success hypnosis. Over 700,000 people from all over the world have used it, and every day I get these amazing miracle stories of people having great things happen in their life. So it's free, but all that I ask is that you come back and you share your success story in the comments right there down below. So you see a pin there, jakeshypnosis.com. And thank you for watching this video. If you're still here, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification right over there. If you subscribe, you've got to make sure you click the little bell notification, because that's actually what notifies you for new videos. So subscribe, bell notification. Thank you for watching this video. Have an absolutely fantastic day. I truly believe you are more powerful than you could ever imagine. All you want already exists. It's time to call it into life by following this law of attraction formula. So comment down below, what I want is on the way. Comment down below, what I want is on the way. Comment that down below, what I want is on the way. You live in a friendly universe, and I truly believe great things are headed your way.